Hey guys, welcome to the shop. Today I'm adding a neutral safety switch, clutch position switch, one of them things. The car was an automatic car when it came from the factory, and I swapped it in to be a manual. And in 1968 they didn't have the switch comma neutral safety. Yes, it is neutral safety switch. Heard a lot of different things that it's called, clutch position sensor, blah blah blah. Anyway, they started making these things in 1970, so I went and got one for a 1970. Neutral safety switch. I got this from I think it was NPD. Anyway, this is what comes in the box. You got your little standoff and your switch. And I went ahead and marked my travel. So obviously that's going to be my stop. And you can see I put a line right here where the bottom end, if you will be. You know, because there's a fire roller right there. And yeah, pretty simple. You just got to line this thing up so that when it compresses and extends, you're not going to break the switch with the force of the pedal. So there's already some holes here. I just picked two that look like they were going to be close, and they're almost close-ish. So I sanded down this little nub that's on here because this bracket's double thick where I'm trying to put it. That ain't going to work. So that makes a nice snug fit right there. And then you look, I'm running the conversion pedal. Comes with all this accessory stuff on here. This bracket came with my hydraulic clutch kit, and that's where I was running the rod for the bearing or for the cylinder here, but I looked at it and I got room to put that little guy right there. I have to switch that out to a grade 8 bolt, but that'll run right there, which opens up this little hole. And I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to put something on this little guy because it just kind of, you know, like that one girl on prom night that everybody likes. So anyway, trying to do this with one hand here. Get this little guy mocked up, and it kind of goes back into the hole. You know, it would be more solid when it's bolted, obviously. And then it kind of comes down and opens up. I may need to move that a little bit. I was messing around with this, different positions, and I think it was the other way it looked good. Well, I tell you, hats off to you one-handed dudes doing this. This is insane. All right, nope, there you go. That works a little better. And obviously, it's going to get bolted down some, but move it enough, it'll tell you where it wants to go. You can see her mounted up. And we'll give her a little push test. All the way down. Bottom of the clutch travel. Switch is still doing pretty good. Not biting or anything. I might put some lube on this plastic piece. Secure that up out of the way a little bit. Little factory connector on there, which I don't know. AEW kit's got all kinds of plugs and things. There's the neutral clutch position safety sensor switch stick thing.